there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions, or at least try to. Today, we're diving into the world of GPS drones. We'll be putting the Holystone HS720G and the Potensic Atom SE head-to-head in an epic drone showdown. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's kick things off with the price. Both these sky surfers are priced at $299. That's right, folks, they cost the same. So, if you're looking for a drone that won't break the bank, but will still make your neighbors think you're a secret agent, you're in the right place. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The Holystone HS720G boasts a 2-axis gimbal with a 4K EIS camera. It promises stunning and vivid footage, making you feel like you're directing the next blockbuster movie. On the other hand, the Potensic Atom SE also flaunts a 4K EIS camera with a Sony sensor. It shoots 12 megapixels photos and 4K video at 30 FPS. So whether you're spying on your neighbor's barbecue or capturing beautiful landscapes, both these drones have you covered. But hey, the Atom SE's got that Sony sensor magic, so maybe it's got a slight edge here. Just a smidge. Next up is flight time. Holystone HS720G gives you 26 minutes of airtime. Not bad, right? But wait. Here comes Potensic Atom SE with a whopping 62 minutes total, thanks to its two 2,500 mAh batteries. That's right, folks. Potensic is like that one friend who brings extra snacks on a road trip, always prepared. So if you want to spend more time in the sky and less time charging, Potensic takes the cake here. Alright, let's see which of these bad boys is more user-friendly. The Holystone HS720G is packed with features like headless mode, automatic takeoff, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning. It's like the drone equivalent of a car with automatic parking, super handy for newbies. Meanwhile, the Potensic Atom SE provides a Surge flight control system with beginner mode and 3 flight modes: video, normal, and sport. So it's got the flexibility to grow with you as you become a drone flying wizard. Both are pretty user-friendly, but Potensic's got that extra sauce for when you're ready to level up. Now, let's talk GPS and return home features. Holystone HS720G is equipped with a powerful GPS module and optical flow positioning, making it safe and reliable. It's got emergency stop, smart return to home, and one-key return. Basically, it's like having a drone with a built-in homing pigeon. Potensic Atom SE, on the other hand, promises precise GPS auto-return and multi-flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight. And if it loses signal or gets low on power, it'll fly back to you like a loyal pet. Both drones are solid here, but Potensic might have a slight edge with its extra flight modes. Last but not least, let's talk about portability and design. The Holystone HS720G has an advanced foldable design and weighs less than 380 grams, about as much as a can of Coke. Perfect for travel. Meanwhile, the Potensic Atom SE is even lighter, weighing in at less than 249 grams, and its fold-up design packs small enough to fit in a jacket pocket. So if you want to be that cool person who casually pulls a drone out of their pocket, Potensic is your guy. Reviewers love both drones for their feature sets and performance. The Holystone HS720G is praised for its beginner-friendly features, sturdy build quality, and reliable performance in light winds. Reviewers especially appreciate its 4K camera and 2-axis gimbal for high-quality photos and videos. On the other hand, the Potensic Atom SE is highly rated for its portability, compact design, stable flight performance, and long battery life. Users also commend its ease of use and high-quality camera, making it a solid choice for beginners. There you have it, smart shoppers. The Holy Stone HS720G versus the Potensic Atom SE. Both are fantastic drones with their own strengths. If you want a travel-friendly, lightweight drone with a longer flight time, Potensic Atom SE might be your best bet. But if you're looking for a drone that's FAA compliant with a sturdy camera gimbal, the Holy Stone HS720G could be your new best friend. Either way, you're getting a great drone for $299. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Fly high, stay smart, and we'll see you in the next video. Product links are in the description. Leave a comment below about which drone you prefer and why.